So hey Trish, Maeve is making pancakes. Would you look at that? And I'm not helping her. Homemade, oh yeah. What goes next, Maeve? What goes next?
The next is salt.
I taught her all I know. And we're gonna have malto meal. Lessa left. Too bad. Is that half a teaspoon? Okay.
Enough.
What? What? You fill the thing up. Okay, that's I guess. That's fine. And she's putting stuff away too. Would you look at that? We're awesome. Ah!
What?
The wind was like blowing the flour out of the bowl.
That's not good. Okay, so flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. So now, drop it.
Ew. Alright, I'll get a whisk. Just look at us. We're awesome.